unreal, and extinguish in a matter of seconds. Be flexible, but safe. Operation without the need of a firefighting water supply. Be effective at the source of the fire, right close up or from a distance. That's what we designed the ultra-high pressure extinguishing unit UHP250 for. With a minimal use of water, flames are extinguished most effectively. The City of Frankfurt's skyline. Emergency patients are treated at the emergency clinic of the Employers' Liability Insurance Association. In critical cases, rescue helicopters are dispatched. The landing pad is a sensitive area where a fire could have devastating consequences. People here trust the UHP250 version with an electromotor. Numerous other professional and factory fire services have also opted for this high-pressure extinguishing unit. The UHP250 has many applications, no matter how large the source of the fire. For instance, in the case of an oil pan, the flames are contained from a safe distance. Afterwards, the fire extinguishing foam is precisely applied, and the rest is taken care of automatically. Another example, a fire in a container. With the UHP250, firefighting vehicles without separate water supply are available immediately. The flames are extinguished in a matter of seconds. Contained spaces are also no problem. Because of its construction and extinguishing capabilities, the UHP250 is the only device of its kind qualified to extinguish fires from inside a burning home, and that within minutes. The operating principle of the UHP250 is simple and effective, ensuring fast, safe operation. The cooling effect is attained by applying an extremely fine jet of water in a highly limited space. Because of its large surface area during evaporation, it absorbs a lot of heat energy. This extracts the energy from the source of the fire, and the flames are smothered. Another advantage of the UHP250 is that a water supply is not required for putting out fires. Instead, roughly 1,700 liters of steam can be produced from just 1 liter of water, and it works much like carbon dioxide. The oxygen needed for the fire is quickly displaced. The result is an asphyxiating effect on the flames. These are the most important elements of the UHP250. The device consists of an assembly and protection frame made of steel and is powered by an 18 horsepower internal combustion engine. The high-performance pump with a step-down unit is connected to a 50-meter high-pressure reinforced hose positioned on a hose reel. The fire extinguishing pistol itself has a combination attachment which allows easy switching from water to foam operation. The UHP250 fits into any fire engine. There are no limitations to the flexibility of installation. From a large fire truck to a small economy-sized car. This Jeep is used as a front firefighting vehicle. There's enough space for a UHP250, seen here as an installation unit with a 125-liter water tank. A VW minivan with sliding panels. Here too, the UHP250 is integrated, with a water tank installed in a staggered pattern. A VW van is a front firefighting vehicle. There's plenty of room for the UHP250 with a 125-liter water tank. A Ford Transit as a firefighting vehicle easily accommodates installation of a unit with a 125-liter water tank. In this machine vehicle, the integrated water tank is installed in a staggered pattern. The UHP250 fits perfectly as a unit. And even in this fire truck, the unit requires only minimal space. The water tank is integrated in a staggered fashion. In the past, the acceptance of high-pressure extinguishing methods has suffered from inaccurate usage of terminology and from false information. Prejudice number 1, the pressure of 250 bar can lead to injuries. However, in reality, the jet spray is safe. The reinforced hose can withstand temperatures of up to 160 degrees centigrade. In addition, it is safe for 7 times the operating pressure by a bursting pressure of 1,750 bar. Mechanical damage leading to bursting is practically impossible. The advantage of the high pressure is its ability to spray a particularly fine jet from a great distance. Prejudice number 2. Explosive steam development can lead to scalding. However, again, this is not possible with the UHP250. The device works with 250 bar and a supply amount of no more than 24 liters per minute. With a small amount of water such as this, scalding steam pressure cannot arise. Prejudice number 3. The high repelling power is a hindrance. However, compared to the commonly used water jet pipe, the so-called C-pipe, the UHP250 has a lower repelling power, despite a pressure which is 30 times higher. 7.1 kilos for the UHP250 and roughly 9 kilos for the C-pipe. Besides, the extinguishing pistol of the UHP250 has an additional support handle. This guarantees optimum ergonomics and work safety, which is not the case with the C-pipe and its manually operated ball valve. One person can operate the UHP250 pistol safely. Flaming wreck cars. The UHP250 can safely extinguish them, even after a longer, more realistic burning time, using only up to 15 liters of water. This is particularly true with a burning automobile, because the fire's higher heat energy supports the extinguishing action of the UHP250. Even from longer distances, there are no performance problems, thanks to the 50-meter-long safety hose. And should the water supply not be adequate enough for a very large fire, the UHP250 can be refilled easily during firefighting operations. In contrast to other high-pressure extinguishing devices, no interruption is necessary. In order to prevent flames from flaring up again, foam can be used for re-extinguishing. Any available foam product can be applied. When the flames are gone, the location is virtually dry. Water damage can be avoided, and water contamination is non-existent with this method. For over a decade, high-pressure fire extinguishing technology has been proving its impressive capabilities. With the UHP250, presents a high-pressure extinguishing system which fulfills the 3 most significant criteria for any operation. The UHP250 is simple, safe, and effective.